stayed up to 75. Nice and smooth. This is not a sponsored video, so if there was any issues with these tires or the beads, I'll tell you. No sweat off my back. Alright, we're fixing to get ready to put some new tires. Some PrinX, P-R-I-N-X. And instead of going to an alignment shop or instead of going to a tire shop for them to get them balanced, we can mount them ourselves, and we're going to put balancing beads in them. That's what I have in these tires. No issues. It's the first time I've ran them. They work great. I ordered some more. One, because I'm going to come up short, because I did pull the beads out of the back tires and I put them in the wife's rear tires. Replace those tires. But I ordered some more. Going online, the charts recommend for my size of tire 8 ounces. These are 10-ounce bags. .3, which is good because we'll turn around and we're going to weigh out 8 ounces per tire or wheel and put them in there. Like I said, I already have some in the front ones. I'll pull those out and put them with the rest that I do have. These are reusable, so whenever you do go to change your tires, put new tires on, you can pull the beads out of what you've got and put them in your new tire. You don't have to buy new ones every time. Also, when it comes time to rotate and balance your wheels and tires, now all you need to do is just rotate them. Balancing beads will take care of the rest. Let's get started. Alright, also when we mount these tires, I've always done the yellow. Never had any issues, but that's what we're going to do. Now we're getting ready to pull the wheel off the truck. That'll be the first one we start with. Now, good practice you should do whenever you pull the wheels off, since you're here, check your brake shoes. Alright, next thing we need to do, we got the tire off. We need to pull the valve core out, deflate this thing. Alright, now the tire's deflated, now we're ready to break the bead. No, I do not have wheel protectors, rim protectors on the jaws. They're my wheels and I don't care if I get some scratches on the inside. It's not going to hurt anything. And once again, stay away from the valve stem. Should be good. Move it around to 6 o'clock. Up and over. Rotate it. Bring tire off. I want to stay away from the valve stem. Move a little further. again. We go to put our new one on. Move that around. Valve stem around out of the way. I've got platinum level tire bouncing beads. These are 10-ounce bags. Charts online recommend I only go 8 ounces for the size of tire I got, and it's an all-terrain. So I've got a little postal scale out. We're going to measure them out. 8 ounces. I'm using an aerosol can lid. Carry weight zeroed out. Of course, one of the bags is broken transport. So we'll use it. 8 ounces. There's 8.2. That should be just fine. Now we'll take these and go put them in the tire. All right, I have a dry spot. I say dry because we had to slide the tire and everything to get it back on the rim. Push down where you got a gap. Pour them in. You don't want it wet on the inside of the tire. You don't want to put these in tires that have any kind of liquid sealant, because it'll cause all the beads to gum up and not evenly flow around your tire as you're picking up. We got our beads in there, ready to air this thing up. They're 60. One down. Good looking tire. It's gonna throw rocks. That'll work. Now I'll move on, get the other ones pulled off. We'll get them changed. Point two. Yeah. And you can see, yellow dot's close to the valve stem. I said the name wrong. You know. That's what I'm putting on. So far, I have had no issues with these tires. Okay, some of y'all are probably asking or been told bouncing beads will damage the inside of your tire. Not true. Or will it hurt your wheel? The wheel's just fine. Here's the inside of my tire. As you can see, there is no damage. Now I can just take a small shop vac, suck all those out of there, and I can turn right around and put them right back into a brand new tire. They're not damaged. They look just like they did when they first came out of the package. About 60,000 miles ago. Alright, there's 4 brand new PrinX high country all-terrain tires with balancing beads in them. Alright, it's time to take it down the road to see if these balancing beads did the job. Alright, we're running down the highway. Nice and smooth, brand new 4 brand new PrinX all-terrain tires. Smooth as can be. Balancing beads, 8 ounces each tire. We're running over 70, take it up to 75. Nice and smooth. No complaints at all. This is not a sponsored video, so if there was any issues with these tires or the beads, I'll tell you. No sweat off my back. Second set of tires on this truck of PrinX. Plenty happy with the first set. That's why I have a second set. It's the second time we're running balancing beads. No issues with the first ones. Doing it again. It's a different brand of beads. So far, no issues. And like I said, heck, I'm running over 70 miles an hour and it's nice and smooth. Love it. Check them out. Like I said, this is not a sponsored video. It's a good product. Hopefully this helped you out. Save you some money. Go online, order some balancing beads. Also have a video, a couple of videos on how you can break the bead on your tires at home. You don't need no fancy machines to do it. And put some balancing beads in your own tires. Thanks for watching.